Okay guys, two questions. Do you like mess or seeing mess? And do you have a sore back? Because if you like those two things, if you've got those two things, come and hang out with me. My name is Clara. I have both a mess and a back injury. So I have notes also, so that's three things. Sorry about that. Okay, now, just so I don't forget anything. I'd really like a bunch of people, lots of people, to hang out with me, subscribe to me, and hang out with me, and we will together, hopefully, sort out this mess and do some fixing and building, cooking, and all those things that are good to do in a day. What is wrong with it? It's off to an angle. Okay. So the camera's now fixed. I have to climb over things, and so does everyone else in my house. It's not up to the ceiling, but it's pretty crap. And it's just basically because I'm in pain. I can only do so much at once. And I've decided to come and ask the world for support, basically. Because I've had enough. I've had enough. Everyone else has had enough. And I figured maybe this might help. It's pretty difficult for me to actually say, look at this chaos. But enough is enough. And yeah, so I'm Clara. I have 5 children and 1 husband, and we have cats and ferrets and dogs. And let's see. Yeah, I'd like to be vlogging and showing everybody what it's like to live with a spinal injury, and to know that you can actually do stuff. Life doesn't stop, it's just more difficult. And maybe I can help you guys, you can help me, us, with the things that are going on. The anxiety happens around here because of pain. Lots of anxiety. My husband, who's my best friend, doesn't live here currently with us because of anxiety, because of chaos, because I don't have a handle on this, and so nobody's got a handle on their own mental health. So maybe there's things that are happening around here that we can all learn from each other. That would be really great. Be really great. I'd really like the support of the world, basically, for this to be the income for this family, because we are kind of stuck. We're stuck in a town that's very judgmental, and it's almost dead. There's nothing going on. There's so many things that could be going on, but it's really, on the outside it looks like it's a going on, but it isn't going on. And so we are very, it's stagnant. This place is just stagnant. So yeah, income and out. I'm actually a welder. Can't work because of my back. But I plan on making a business when I'm sorted with this mess and this is all put back together. I can't start that until I've sorted this bit out. So yeah, lots of happenings. I'd really like you guys to subscribe, follow, share it around. I'm actually going to let the world into my own chaos and anxiety and I know that I can't fix it without doing that. So I'll look forward to hearing from some people, hopefully lots of people. So yeah, that's it from me, I think. Let me see, I'll just have a look if there's anything else that I've forgotten. No, there's not. Oh, cooking. Yeah, we're going to be doing some cooking, but alright. Yep, no, that's it. Over and out. Catch you, world. See you soon.